Do you want to know everything happening around you? Do you want to share your memorable moments with your friends and family? If yes, then try CastQ app, a free and easy-to-use mobile application. With CastQ, you can build and broadcast a social channel with your friends, family, and people nearby. The app can be downloaded from Apple App Store or Google Play. After a successful installation, just create a personalized profile called Q. Looking for more? Here are some key features of CastQ. It provides a platform to connect with other people in your area. You can set the range from 5 miles to 50 miles and socialize with as many people as you want. You can share your memorable moments with friends via text and pictures. You can access all things happening around you, such as sale of your favorite band, a social gathering, or an accident. You can follow, unfollow, and mute the cues to give it a personalized touch. You can broadcast anonymously by using a feature called Ghost that allows you to send messages without using your Q name and picture. Install CastQ real-time broadcasting app today. For details, visit http://castqapp.com